Hello guys, today we're gonna be installing this pool water heater. Customer bought it at Home Depot. It's pretty nice. Here's the filter for the pool. We already start making the connection. Here is the 220 volts wire connection for the heater. We already set up the connection. Here is the PVC pipes connection. So the upper one is the one throwing the water to the pool, and the one down is the water coming from the filter to the water heater. So it's already all installed. Now we're gonna be powering on just to taste it. We did and set the temperature to 80 degrees so we can taste it. As you can see here, it's already working properly. After 10 minutes we checked the water and was already throwing hot water. It was heating up. Everything was working properly, no leaks. So we just made sure was everything good and enjoy the view. Thanks for watching this quick video.